Dark mode can make Chrome more comfortable to use at night and give the browser a cleaner, darker appearance. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode in Chrome on Windows, Mac, Android, and iPhone. On a computer, Chrome usually follows your system theme. So to make the browser interface dark, you will normally turn on dark mode in Windows or Mac OS first. Chrome should update automatically after that. On Windows, right-click an empty area of your desktop and choose Personalize. Then open Colors, find the option called Choose Your Mode, and select Dark. Now open Chrome or switch back to it if it is already open. The tabs, toolbar, and settings pages should appear dark. If you do not see the change immediately, close Chrome and open it again. On a Mac, click the Apple menu and open System Settings. Choose Appearance, then select Dark. Chrome should follow the new appearance setting automatically. If you want a different dark look for Chrome, you can also use a theme. Open a new tab, click Customize Chrome in the bottom right corner, then choose Change Theme. Look through the available dark themes and select one you like. On Android, open Chrome and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Settings, then Theme. Select Dark to keep Chrome dark all the time, or choose System Default to match your phone's theme. On iPhone and iPad, Chrome follows the device appearance. Open the Settings app, choose Display and Brightness, then select Dark. When you return to Chrome, the browser interface should match. Keep in mind that dark mode changes Chrome itself, but not every website. Many sites have their own dark mode setting, usually inside their account menu or page settings. You know, turning that on can give you a fully dark browsing experience, and that is how to enable dark mode in Chrome. Choose the system setting, a Chrome theme or your phone's theme, and enjoy a darker browser whenever you want. Thanks for watching.